Wagwan Berry does, Wagwan peeps on the Facebook fan page and people on YouTube. I am so sorry I've not been able to do videos but in quite a while, but I've been so busy. When I say busy, I mean busy. I've never been so busy hard before in my entire life, and I'm getting used to it. And been doing all the corporate stuff, and I'm just trying to find the balance so I can still, maintain the thing on YouTube. But don't worry, I'll be back. The social media review will be coming in soon. Have some exciting news to share with y'all this week. We'll tell you so they can know more about it. But oh yeah, we can't tell the piece now. I'm going to be, y'all will be seeing me soon. You get me? Y'all will see me soon. So that's it. Don't matter because me have too much, I'll be back. You know me not going nowhere because I miss YouTube. Alright, peace out people, take care. Hope you've been having fun. I'm going to rewatch the old videos, then share it with a friend. Take care and enjoy yourself, alright? I'm gonna eat something, I'm hungry.